Right, so today we're going to have a quick chat for guys and hobbyists that are just looking at improving their welding on tungsten sharpening, because not everybody's got one of these in their top drawer at home. What can you tell us, man?
So obviously for you guys at home, you'll be using it on carbon steel and stainless. White for aluminium, red for DC or steel or stainless.
That's a real easy way to remember, eh? You can pop it out of the handpiece and be like, shit, have I got the right one? So what Dave was saying is he's running 20 degrees off, so this is an actual tungsten sharpener, so that's off each side. You can see roughly the angle. Most guys aren't going to have one of these, so you were saying obviously a lot of guys would use a drill or a linisher with a drill just to get that angle with the iometer, which is always quite accurate in my experience.
Yeah, don't worry about geometry and your angles, getting your exact angles perfect. To get them smooth and clean, and you should be right.
And obviously if they linish that tungsten with too aggressive a like grinding device, whatever they might use, I'm a little bit wary to recommend in case someone loses an eyeball. But
definitely.
Anything too aggressive makes the surface real shit and hard to push your weld pull. So this is one of Dave's tungstens that's sharp and ready to go. And then obviously if you have any issues or you don't quite grind it right, or if you have a touchdown, you can end up with something like that. And in that situation, if you don't resharpen it, your welding is always going to end up not very nice.